Muno tunajjamu.
Kasaffe natulwalira wano.
Kale wateranga okunjokya buli.
My name is Tracy. I'm the Chief Operations Officer for Identical Care. Yes, we are very, very happy to have you here.
Thank you for everything. Back together. And I love the progress, I love the growth of Identical.
I actually want to take you around today. I want to take you
Is it
around.
after this?
After here, I'd like to show you how far we've grown ever since you last visited us.
I guess the last time I was at Equatorial branch, small, but this is really beautiful.
Oh, and you get to see the other side. See the thing?
So we can go.
Yeah, we can. Okay. Oh, yes. I have my visitors book here that I would love for you to sign.
We all do the signing or?
Tukiikirire.
Musogo n'atuwaako.
Omuwandiike enamba y'omuyimbi okuteeka ku somi byati.
So I think that we should think the way so that we can direct. Yes. So that we can direct. So I think Wine Bawa. So this is other surgery room. It is quite special. Hello guys. Hello. I think you know the spice. So this room is special because it has this seat that is for the people with special needs. So we cater to them as well.
This room is only for this?
Yeah, for people with special needs. We specifically created it for them so that they are comfortable. But Janeva Sobola Tula Katebe, Atom Nabakola Kateba Kunyana, Atoma Tulas, now we use professionals for everyone. That kind of thing. Yes. Netwagala tusobole okubakolako in the shortest time possible. So they took that type of surgery room. Yes, well, they're distracted by this, never having a very nice experience. Dolphin chair to distract them a little. They are in a room. So at every one point, so local our patients at one time at once. Okay. So this is one of the rooms.
There are many.
Yeah, they're just two extra more and a lounge area.
There's more.
Ey'abaana space tebali kugula
Please be careful.
Hey,
Might be
that's
frames.
never college.
baby tonnatuula.
Never funny bag
So the other surgery room is here.
Still for the kids.
Not for the children, it's just a normal surgery room. So at every one point, to collaborate at the same time. Okay. So twin surgery room, yeah, the third and final one. You know, gadgets that you say with that. So
Oh my
that's
God.
the final one.
Yeah.
So the lounge area, yeah, family.
Gamba, tell you
Because they are my favorite things about this place. These chairs are so comfortable.
Wow, I want to sleep right now. They're just name what you Identical. I love, I started working with Identical a few years ago.
I think you've grown with us as
I've
well.
grown with Idento and I
Your
love
tenure
the
matrix
beauty.
is very special.
I love the
for us.
beauty about people I work with. Beauty yakyo nti no buli omu ayagala okula. I love growing and every person gwe nkolagana, every company, every, you know, there is that desire for growth and I love Idento wekuze. I'm really proud of you guys.
Thank you. And
Doing
we're
so
proud of you for
amazing.
10 years.
Oh my
Congrats,
God.
you've done
Oh my
an
God.
amazing job.
Last time I was at Equatorial Mall, very small. Katutukawo nga byakwenyika, but I mean, see, we have
Now
some
this is
here.
big, and now it's 3 branches, so that means kati omuvio gono gwali ogwakendera. So we have Bwaise, Equatorial, and here.
This is so VIP. I think I can kasigala kito.
Exactly.
Oh my
Very,
God.
very affordable. Era tulina ne offers that we don't pitch up
Christmas,
Christmas
one
offers, 20%
mulekera awo
off.
kissing abakyala nga temusose kufa ku manyi banange ekanjogera abakyala ekintu kya hygiene and then the breath and everything bambi
Yes,
work on needs bikubanga abakazi twagala nnyo obumwamwa naye ate mukwano kyangu bakoze ku mannyo
akajwijwiri
kyangu bakebereko bakugyemu obukyafu amannya agamenyese nze bayithawe naye n'erinnyo nga lyamenyeka era banvumeyo omwana yanvuma ku snapchat
Very natural.
nezya ku Idento era kasimayo ndoza kalaba
Abantu bagambe
Nsigadde
tulina
ngenda
20% off discount this Christmas season paka
Yeah.
February.
mujje
tubakoleko
mulete abagalwa mulete abaana manyi kati olidde abaana balidde sweets nyingi nnyo
Definitely.
abaana balina byebalidde bingi mutasobola kulaba kati nga tebanaddayo mu masomero infact mujje mukebeze abaana emmere ya Christmas make sure amala ogirya ate oyoza muki
Mujje
mumannyo
tubalongosa.
yes whitening oyagala kwerusa mannyo kyangu babikole
Braces, erinyo lyamenyeka, erinyo lyaganira muneno nga terivaamu mujje, all those special cases.
byagerekera
Exactly.
Yeah.
Either ku Bwaise or Equatorial or here in Tinda. Tujja bakolako.
And I love the Tinder branch. Amazing. The
I'm
class
so
for
glad
me.
you like it.
Yes. So guys, spread the news. Mutena ina ekizibu kyonna n'amannyo mugambe Idento. Idento yokka beba bikola nze si pushinga kintu kitali kyakali. Njaga nnyo okubeera mu byakabi, njaga nnyo okubeera wantu wakula and bwe nkwata ku kintu bwe ngamba nti wano manya there is omulamwa. Yes, wawatuufu. Ate nga ssente ensaamusaamu.
Very, very affordable. Very affordable. Ate ne twongera ne tuzisala this Christmas season, 20% off for braces, teeth whitening, byonna oyagala aligners, oyagala veneers, oyagala implants, 20% off. Zonna cosmetic procedures nga bw'oyagala kubeera ku mutindo. 20% off. Visit us where Bwaise, Equatorial, oba Nokwemesa Mall in Tinda Kiwatule Road.
Idento care.
Yes.
Wali walala. Ate meanwhile, on top of that, baguze table ya concert yange.
Oh yeah, congratulations.
Because man, let me tell you something. Miaka 10, all the companies I've worked with as a brand ambassador or influencer, it means a lot when they come out to support me and I love that. So nebaza Idento care okuba nti bansiseeko omukono and the board table they're buying tickets for some of our clients. So tomanya boyitako wano ku Idento no mentioninga Spice Diana no supporting you might walk out with a ticket. No saving entwalo 15 noja nonyumirwa Spice Diana on 10th January at Serena Hotel.
So Spice Diana, we're so excited for you. Nga patient wafera Dr. Ibrahim Boyanga. We had to jump into the opportunity to support our patient, our brand ambassador, with whom we've grown with.
Yes.
So this is a huge, huge, huge achievement. Congratulations. And we're going as Idento family. Our table is there already. I think you know.
Yeah.
I was hoping we're going to be there. So
Yeah,
that's
of course,
staff
of course, of
bonna
course.
n'abagambe bagenda funa selfies ne Spice
Yes.
kuba bagenda kujja, they are huge fans. Era balabe wali nga bali karunga bagamba naye we want a selfie, we want a selfie.
Yeah.
We are going to be there with Spice Diana while she's celebrating 10 years. 10 years, a woman in the music industry. We're going to be there and we're going to make sure her smile is amazing. And we're going to support and bring all my team and we're going to support.
Thank you very much. Unless you have any query, but I think we're good.
Agumsa une wava.
So no via and ends.
Spice tukole.
Hanifa. Yes. Hata ne manager bakole kali kabonde.
Ama tugende mmenta bano bafeka abakaenda.
Kwata.
Kwaniriza ku TV ez'enjawulo. Tugende?
Yes.
Kati spice dena tukwaniriza ku TV ez'enjawulo gamba okutegeeza. Bigenda bitya?
Tubitwala. Yes.
Tukusanze olwaleero wano ku Idento.
Yes, the Idento care Tinda branch because they have 3 branches. Tinda, Boise, and Equatorial Mall. Ndi one of the Tinda because it's a new branch, very huge, big. Ina ebintu bingi nnyo byinza okwetaaga when it comes to your menu. Byonna ebyo bikwatagana n'amanyu. Yes.
Have you been the brand ambassador or just as
Yeah, I've worked with Idento before as an influencer. Era netwakola omulimu mulungi because when you see company gy'okuteeka oba ne mukolagana growing up, meaning omulimu wagukolera ddala bulungi nnyo. So nakola ne Idento eri Equatorial Mall, but you can see the branch in Tinda really big. Ate bakyagenda mu maaso n'okulaakulana. Meaning nga influencer nakola ogwange, you know, and I love that.
Okay.
Yes.
bakusupportinze batya?
Baguze table, Dr. Ibrahim Webaza, 10 years of spice tebalese, you know, nga influencer wabwe kukozeko nabo before. Basupportinze with buying a table and a few tickets for their abakozi and some of our clients, and I really appreciate.
Ogenze n'osuulayo akagambo eri abaana abawala nti banaye mukola amanyo.
Yeah, kikulu n'abaana b'obulenzi
Abawala bakuutire nnyo.
n'abaana b'obulenzi bane mukole amannyo wasi ne walfuna obudde oyozeeko ku mannyo, oyozeeko kubanga tuli ebintu bingi nnyo mu butamanya n'okumanya naye nga tomanyi nakyolidde, so olumu bisigala mu mubiri, bisigala mu mannyo, kati ofunamu akadde n'ojja ne bakebera nako. Nobeera nga wetangira ebirwadde biyinza okuvaako amannyo g'okumenyeka oba okulwala, naye still n'empunyayo mu kamwa kikulu nnyo kubanga tubeera mu bantu, tukolera mu bantu, ate n'omukwano gunyuma nnyo nga munakwadde kapeek k'omufiiringa ng'akawuwa kamuvaamu kalungi, so byonna byonna Idento ebikola. Yes.
Omanyi oyogera ku mukwano kindeetera ku kibuuzo kigamba Spice naye omuntu.
Kati kugamba nze ndi awo nakiboterawo obuntu yasiinayo omuntu munnange ate nkugambe kizi.
Onna omusajja Spice?
Ninaki? Nina mbaata. Ekyo kimanyi kinsasa kubanga ekibuuzo ekyo it's an insult when you ask a beautiful woman like if she's really single or something like that. A beautiful woman like me, it's an insult.
Kyeddamu buzi.
Gamba nkinyiiza nnyo kuba ndi single basimu.
Kale byalavu katubiveeko. Kamile newagenza ku mudala omulaba.
Banange sinaba impulye naye mpuliziganya n'abaliyo era tumusabira, tuyongera omusabira, ate tulabye nako ku butambi, I think you've seen, nga tali bubi nnyo nnyo nnyo, and just twongere musaba abeere strong, adde back ku bigere bye, abasawo baffe Mukama bawe omukisa bamujjanjabe bulungi nnyo, but so far amawulire agavaayo tegatiisa. Yes.
Naye waliwo abagenda ate ne batamulabako totidde.
Akivola nange gambe sinaba, but I know omulwadde yenna ng'aliko abamuliko nga gwa abamufaako ennyo. All you have to know is ali atya, because we don't know what's their restrictions ziri zitya, oyinza okwetwala nga at the moment bakulaga it's just a few people balondemu oba you know, you never know, but for now nze mmanyi is doing better than we thought, era twongera kusaba nakuwuliziganya n'abaliyo tumanyi how is doing.
Twalabyeko ekiwandiiko kya pulezidenti w'abayimbi ebikeezo kya copyright kubanga bakitutte mu parliament. Kitegeeza nti busuuza ensonga zikwasizza maanyi oba osanga oba oliawo abayimbi munaatera okubanga mutuuka ku kimwali mwagala. Ensonga zino gundi eno wagirabyeko Spice?
Sinakirabako ekiwandiiko, but of course anything copyright, it's every artist's happiness. Katulinde tulabe how it goes.
Anyone with a question?
Abba yavuddeyo mutabani wa Chameleone n'abako statements yakoze gwe nga elder sister oba nga ayinayo ku bato be oba Omukuza w'abaana. What is your take about his opinion about the dad?
It was his opinion, not my opinion. So like kugamba muntu nti wakoze obi okwogera because that was just like you mentioned his opinion. So he's entitled to his opinion. Yes, and it's a family issue. I don't want to give a comment about a son talking about well-being here at Tatawe. I can't comment about that because I don't know much. Yeah.
Enteekateeka zaakyo ziti.
Enteekateeka zaakyo. Concert zigenda bulungi so far. Era tuli wano ku nsonga ya table. Abantu bagula table. Dr. Ibra Ident works the table. You've seen it. Kitambula bulungi nnyo so far. Kati nagula table. Bafaani bange mwenna mbakubiriza okwongera reaching out. Tickets were ziri on sale. You can reach out to Manager Roger, Source Management or Haj KT. Tuwenga ate tuba more than ready when it comes 10th of January. Yes.
Spice ng'ogyeko gwe muyimbi ky'omalala kusingidde omwaka guno era nsonga ki? Omuyimbi mu mwaka guno. Omuyimbi akusingidde omwaka guno. Nga gwe toli.
Sindamulaba. What I can say generally is buli omu akoze kyakoze. Everybody has tried. It being hard. Nga media, I'm sure mulabye ng'ekintu kitambudde so far. Nga bukyandi but the music is a bit ayina waali nze personally opinion yange ndaba nga bitubadde nnyo si byangu. Badde so hard to get a song, so hard to do a concert. We've seen a lot but all in all everybody has tried their best. Buli omu ayina kyakoze. And I want to appreciate that. He's not pointing a fingers at, you know, what, but everybody has tried their best.
Spicy story ki ettano esinza okunyumira omwaka guno oba esinza okukolera omwaka guno?
Obwongo bwange nga bujjudde ebintu bingi okuddayo okujjukira kuva mu January stories
zonna zojjukirako fona
stories sure ziri positive negative but so much of like negative stuff. So kijja kumpa okuzibu okulowooza right now. Nedda olumu abantu batya nnyo kafiga ako ate ng'omuntu twagala nnyo omuntu like ekintu kyaffe kituuke ku buli muntu yenna ku nfuna yonna. So range etandikira ku $3 million. Chovola chiwalaba naye tulina n'ez'ettaano n'ez'ekkumi and so far people have bought tickets tables $1 million n'ez'ekkumi. So omuntu oba omuseeningiro mugamba tulina esatu tulina ey'ettaano n'ey'ekkumi kati buli omu kyasobola kyakola ki.
Ez'ettaano zigenda kubeerako ki n'ez'ekkumi zigenda
jangu buzolabye ekyenjawulo mukwano kuva mu setting na buli kimu everyone is gonna be different kuva ku $3 million, $5 million. But all in all, we are in one place at H2S Love and Celebration. Era buli magenda kubanga ali treated equally. No emitwalo 15. Yeah? Because it's a VIP show, buli magenda kuba VIP and special.
Tuwa kumatundiro gye batunda tickets?
Tickets for now, ku Modern Tiles, you can pass by. Eriawo ku Golobi, their showroom, you can go and ask for a ticket. Tables, we have contacts account yange ya Instagram, Facebook, X, artwork aliyo basaganya otuma muntu ku numbers ekifalagana number yona kijja ku page yange. So whatever I post there is their contacts. Contact either a manager Roger or management ya KT, Haj KT. So for that table, but tickets you can go to Modern Tiles showroom and grab yourself one. You can even come to Idento simwebereji ticketing ekutuseko. Yeah.
Kako nga kikolya kusaba okulaga
omuntu ki
omwami
nga anona ki kola ki biyimba tulina kolabo
ng'omuntu abadde
mubalage mukole mutya mumutwale want to be part of the family. You want to be part of the beautiful family. So byogerako oluvanyuma. Yeah, but for the concert it's basically my celebration of 10 years. Ate musically, not personal, not bedroom. Yeah.
Mwagala nnyo ebintu byakugabane.
Mugabane ebintu
anaye kibuuzo
tugeze